Hello guys, guess where I am? Believe everyone has already seen that I'm at the Changsha International Construction Equipment Exhibition. Changsha, known as the construction equipment, is the only city in China that has 4 enterprises that are ranking in the world top 50 enterprises, and Sunward is one of them. This partially explains why Changsha International Construction Equipment Exhibition is so lively. Now, let's take a look at the site from far away. The theme of the 3rd Changsha International Construction Equipment Exhibition is high-end, intelligent, and green new generation of the construction equipment. A total of 35 construction equipment enterprises among the world's top 50 manufacturers participate in this exhibition. Moreover, missions, commercial institutions, enterprises in China from more than 60 countries and international business associations. Nearly 2,000 international guests will attend at this exhibition. Sunward is also well prepared this time, so let us take a look at the booth of Sunward next. As our friend, you may already know Sunward. Sunward was founded by Professor He Qinghua in 1999. Sunward has many subsidiaries across the country and 7 overseas warehouses. In addition to them, Sunward also has more than 200 overseas channels and agents to establish the network to provide our foreign customers with after-sales service and satisfactory procurement experience. At this exhibition, Sunward has a total indoor and outdoor exhibition area of 2,350 square meters. In addition to them, Sunward also has a total of 50 products of various models at the exhibition site. In the next few days, we will provide you the first-hand information about Sunward at the exhibition site, and my friend Abu in tomorrow will introduce you the flagship product of Sunward, so look forward to it.